Welcome back, folks. In today's segment, we'd like to introduce our cartridge resins and cartridge repair materials. In the limelight right now is going to be the SealBoss 6060. It's a Spall repair product that comes to you guys at a 1-to-1 ratio. So this tube can be fed into a standard 22-ounce size caulking gun. You're going to get roughly between 38 and 40 cubic inches of fill out of this cartridge that gives you 22 ounces. 60/60 sets pretty quickly, so you definitely want to make sure you've got a place for it to go. Looking at about a 3 to 4 minute set time in ambient conditions. Obviously in cooler temperatures that's going to take a little longer. In warmer temperatures that can speed up on you. So another nice aspect about the 60/60 that you want to think about, if you want to increase that compressive strength and get it closer to that 3,900 to 4,000 psi, you can mix equal parts dry silica sand with mixed product. So you'd have A and B 60/60 mixed at a certain volume, and equal volume of sand can then be mixed at a 1-to-1 ratio with the product, giving you almost like a nice repair mortar that you could go ahead and feed into a larger type of spall or any type of hole in a warehouse floor. To note as well, this product is used and can be used and has been proven on road repairs, concrete roads that is. If you have any potholes or any small type of holes that you want to get filled in fast, to allow for the flow of traffic again, 60/60 is a very good product to be considered for that type of an application. You can go ahead and clean and dry that substrate best you can, mix this, body it up with some pea gravel and sand, and you'll be able to get traffic back onto that roadway very quickly. If you have any other questions about 60/60, feel free to give us a call or check us out on the web at SealBoss.com. We're here to help you.